Nearly 80% of drivers are flushing thousands of dollars down the drain because they don't know these 15 brilliant car hacks. But here's the real kicker. Mastering just one of these tricks could be the difference between a simple afternoon fix and a $2,000 bill at the dealership. Most experts want to keep you in the dark to keep your wallet open, but today I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. Let's dive in with hack number 15. Hack number 15, the baby wipe window fix. If you look closely at your window seals, they're likely covered in a sticky black film. Most people ignore it, but what the industry isn't telling you is that this gunk is a silent killer for your power window motors. Grab a pack of standard baby wipes from your bathroom, fold one over your finger and run it deep along the rubber window channels. You'll be shocked at the thick, black oxidation that comes off in one pass. The gentle surfactants in baby wipes are actually perfect for breaking down road grime and old rubber residue without stripping the essential oils from the seal itself. What they don't tell you is that this grime acts like 400 grit sandpaper. Every time you roll your window up or down, that grit is scratching your glass and creating massive friction that burns out your window regulator. By spending 30 cents on a wipe, you're preventing a $400 repair. Hack number 14, toothpaste paint miracle. You walk out to your car and notice those frustrating little surface scratches or tiny orange rust dots. The body shop will look you in the eye and quote you $300 for paint correction and oxidation removal. Before you hand over your credit card, head to the bathroom. Grab a tube of basic white toothpaste, avoid the fancy gels. Apply a dab to damp microfiber cloth and work it into the scratch or rust spot using firm circular motions. What they don't tell you is that high-quality toothpaste contains hydrated silica, the exact same microabrasive found in professional finishing polishes. It's aggressive enough to level out the clear coat and lift surface rust, but gentle enough that you won't burn through your paint. Here's the kicker. For those tiny rail dust rust spots, the toothpaste actually neutralizes the surface oxidation, allowing you to seal the area with a dab of wax or clear coat before it turns into a real hole. You're performing professional-grade paint decontamination for less than the cost of a stick of gum. Body shops rely on the fact that rust scares people. Don't let them overcharge you for a 5-minute fix. Hack number 13, the lemon headlight trick. Foggy yellowed headlights aren't just ugly, they're a massive safety hazard that cuts your night vision by up to 70%. Your mechanic will tell you the lenses are permanently oxidized and suggest a $400 replacement. Here's the truth they're hiding. That yellowing is just a thin layer of dead plastic. Cut a lemon in half, dip the face in a bowl of baking soda and start scrubbing that lens. The citric acid acts as a natural solvent for the UV-damaged plastic, while the baking soda provides the perfect level of mechanical exfoliation. Within 2 minutes, the cloudy film will dissolve into a slurry. Rinse it off and your headlights will look brand new. What they don't tell you is that those headlight restoration kits you see in stores for $30 use the exact same acid abrasive principle, just with harsher chemicals. And here's the kicker. To make this permanent, wipe a tiny bit of synthetic wax or even a ceramic sealant over the lens once it's dry. This replaces the UV protection you just scrubbed away. Why spend hundreds on new plastic when you can fix it with a piece of fruit? Hack number 12, WD-40 throttle body magic. Is your car idling rough, stumbling at stoplights, or feeling heavy when you hit the gas? A mechanic will likely scan it and tell you that you need a fuel induction service for $250. Don't fall for it. Often the only issue is a thin layer of carbon coating around your throttle plate. If you pop your air intake hose off, you can spray a bit of WD-40 or a dedicated throttle cleaner onto a rag and wipe that butterfly valve clean. What they don't tell you is that this carbon buildup is as inevitable as dust in a house. It's not a failure, it's just physics. Cleaning it restores the precise airflow your engine's computer expects, which instantly smooths out your idle. And here's the kicker. A dirty throttle body is a leading cause of ghost check engine lights. Mechanics love these because they can charge you a $120 diagnostic fee just to tell you something you could have fixed with a rag in 10 minutes of your time. If your car feels sluggish, try this before you let anyone touch your sensors. Hack number 11, Vaseline dashboard secret. We've all seen those greasy, high-shine interior sprays that look great for an hour and then attract every speck of dust in the zip code. Even worse, many of them contain alcohols that actually accelerate dashboard cracking over time. If your dash is looking faded or ashy, reach for a jar of Vaseline. Apply a very thin layer with a clean cloth and buff it until the shine is uniform. What they don't tell you is that petroleum jelly is chemically similar to the plasticizers used to keep automotive vinyl flexible in the factory. It doesn't just sit on top, it actually feeds the material, restoring that deep, factory-fresh luster. And here's the kicker. Because it's non-polar, it actually helps repel dust rather than attracting it like silicone-based sprays do. It's also the ultimate secret for stopping squeaks. If two plastic interior panels are rubbing together and driving you crazy, a tiny dab of Vaseline in the seam will silence it forever. Dealers want you on a subscription for their interior dressings, but one $4 jar of Vaseline will last you a decade. Hack number 10, baby powder squeaky belt fix. That embarrassing bird chirping sound coming from your engine on cold mornings, that's your serpentine belt crying for help. A shop will tell you the belt is stretched and charge you $150 to swap it. But before you agree, try the baby powder test. With the engine off, sprinkle a light dusting of baby powder onto the ribbed side of the belt. Start the car. If the noise vanishes, you've just diagnosed the problem. What they don't tell you is that most belt noise isn't caused by a bad belt, it's caused by microscopic glaze or moisture that makes the belt slip ever so slightly. The powder absorbs the moisture and provides just enough grip to stop the slip. And here's the kicker, this is the ultimate diagnostic tool. If the noise stays away, you just saved $150. If the noise comes back instantly, then you know you truly have a mechanical issue like a failing tensioner or a worn-out bearing. It prevents the mechanic from guessing with your money. Hack number 9, key fob tailgate trick. We've all been there, arms loaded with groceries, struggling to find the handle. Most people don't realize their car has hidden muscle memory. On many modern fobs, you don't just click the trunk butt. Holding it for exactly 3 seconds or double-clicking in a specific rhythm can trigger a motorized release or even adjust how high the tailgate opens. What they don't tell you is that these features are often dormant in the car's settings to prevent accidental openings. And here's the kicker. Your fob can likely do way more than just open the trunk. Have you ever tried holding the unlock button for 5 seconds on a hot day? On many vehicles, this will automatically roll down every window to vent the heat before you even reach the door. Dealers skip these convenience features during the handover because they want to get to the next sale. Take 10 minutes to actually read the remote section of your manual. You're leaving half of your car's technology on the table. Hack number 8, baking soda battery saver. If you see white, crusty snow on your battery terminals, your car is dying a slow death. That corrosion creates electrical resistance, which makes your alternator work harder and kills your gas mileage. A shop will try to sell you a new battery for $200. Instead, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a cup of water. Pour it over the terminals, it'll fizz like a science project, and scrub it with an old toothbrush. What they don't tell you is that this corrosion is just leaked acid vapor reacting with the metal. It doesn't mean the battery is leaking or broken. It's a completely natural byproduct. Cleaning it restores the full pipe of electricity to your starter. And here's the kicker. Once it's clean and dry, smear a little Vaseline on the terminals. This blocks oxygen and moisture, meaning that corrosion will never come back. You've just extended your battery life by 2 or 3 years for the cost of a spoonful of baking soda. Hack number 7, credit card ice scraper. 7:00 a.m., you're late for work and your windshield is a sheet of ice. If you don't have a scraper, don't you dare use hot water, you'll shatter the glass instantly. Instead, grab an old plastic loyalty card or an expired credit card from your wallet. Use the long edge at a 45-degree angle. What they don't tell you is that the specific polymer used in credit cards is actually harder than ice but softer than automotive glass. It's physically impossible to scratch your windshield with a plastic card, but it's sharp enough to shave through frost like a razor. And here's the kicker. The flexibility of the card allows it to contour to the curve of the glass, something those cheap $5 plastic scrapers from the gas station can't do. Keep an old gift card in your sun visor. It's the most effective emergency tool you'll ever own, and it takes up 0 space. Hack number 6, monthly fuel injector treatment. Modern direct injection engines are marvels of power, but they have a dark secret. They clog up fast. If your fuel economy has dropped by 2 or 3 mpg lately, your injectors are likely clogged with carbon. A dealer will charge you $300 for a pressurized injection clean. But if you spend $10 on a high-quality bottle of PEA, polyethylamine cleaner once a month, you'll never need that service. What they don't tell you is that the top-tier gas at the pump has some detergents, but not enough to clean a dirty engine, only enough to keep a clean one clean. You need the concentrated stuff to actually scrub the tips. And here's the kicker. Running this cleaner also helps lubricate your high-pressure fuel pump, which is a $1,500 part that fails specifically because of the dry, low-sulfur fuel we use today. A bottle a month is the cheapest insurance policy you can buy for your engine's heart. Hack number 5, stop buying premium gas. This is the biggest scam in the automotive world. Unless your car has a required sticker inside the fuel door, you are burning money for 0 gain. People think 91 octane means cleaner gas. It doesn't. Octane is simply a measurement of how much you can compress the fuel before it explodes. What they don't tell you is that if your engine is designed for 87, it cannot see or use the extra stability of 91. It provides 0 extra horsepower and 0 extra cleaning power. And here's the kicker. Using high octane in a low compression engine can actually lead to more carbon buildup because the fuel doesn't burn as completely. You're paying 60 cents more per gallon to actually make your engine dirtier. Check your manual if it says 87 octane recommended. Stop donating your hard-earned money to the oil companies. Hack number 4, hidden fuel gauge secret. We've all done the dance of shame at the gas station, pulling up to the pump only to realize the fuel door is on the other side. You don't need to get out and look, just look at the dashboard. Next to the little gas pump icon on your fuel gauge, there's a tiny arrow. What they don't tell you is that this arrow has been a mandatory design standard for decades. If it points left, your door is on the left. It's that simple. And here's the kicker, this secret logic applies to your whole dash. If you see a little snowflake icon, it doesn't just mean it's cold. It means the car's sensors have detected black ice conditions and have adjusted your traction control sensitivity. Your car is talking to you all the time, most people just don't know the language. Hack number 3, instant AC cooling trick. On a 100-degree day, the air inside your car can reach 140 degrees. If you get in and just blast the AC, you're making the system fight a losing battle. Instead, do the heat dump. Roll down your passenger window and pump the driver's door open and shut 5 times. What they don't tell you is that this acts like a massive bellows, physically shoving the hot air out and replacing it with cooler outside air instantly. And here's the kicker. When you finally do turn the AC on, keep the recirculate button off for the first 2 minutes. You want to bring in outside 90-degree air to replace the 120-degree air inside. Only once the cabin feels normal should you hit recirculate to get that ice cube effect. This saves your AC compressor from overheating and saves you about 10% on fuel during the summer. Hack number 2, emergency key fob backup. When your key fob dies, most people think they're stranded and call a $200 locksmith. Don't be that person. 99% of fobs have a physical key hidden inside. Look for a tiny silver slider or a push button. Pull that metal key out. But wait, where do you put it? Many modern cars hide the keyhole under a plastic beauty cap on the door handle. Use the key to pop the cap off. What they don't tell you is that once you're inside, the car will still start. There is a passive chip in the fob that doesn't need a battery. Hold the dead fob directly against the start button while you push it. And here's the kicker. The car actually sends a tiny pulse of energy to the fob to read it. You are never truly locked out unless the car's actual battery is dead. Dealers charge a fortune for emergency battery replacement, but you can buy the CR2032 battery at a grocery store for $3 and swap it yourself in 30 seconds. Hack number 1, shift lock release savior. This is the ultimate save my life hack. You're in a parking lot, you go to shift into drive and the lever is stuck in park. You're stuck. You call a tow truck and they tell you the transmission is toast. It's not. Near your shifter there is a tiny nondescript plastic square. Pop it off with a screwdriver or your key. Inside is a button. Press it. What they don't tell you is that this is the manual override for the shift interlock. Usually the only thing wrong is a $5 blown fuse for your brake lights. Because the car can't see that you're stepping on the brake, it won't let you shift. And here's the kicker. By using the manual release, you can drive the car home or to a shop, saving you a $150 tow fee and the panic that lets a mechanic overcharge you for a transmission you don't need. It's an electrical safety feature, not a mechanical failure. How many of these actually caught you off guard? Drop a comment below. I want to know which one of these just saved you a trip to the mechanic. If you want to keep your car on the road for 500,000 miles without going broke, hit that subscribe button. Your wallet and your car will thank you. Now, if you think these were good, you need to see what happens when you use the wrong oil filter. Click this next video to see why most standard oil changes are actually destroying your engine from the inside out. See you there.